our minds. Oh, oh. Dry pipes in the kitchen, staring at the phone. No lights in the hallway, black smoke in the evening. Dry pipes in the kitchen, staring at the phone. No lights in the hallway, black smoke in the evening. Oh, oh. Up our minds. Concrete, keep the heat inside. Tin roof, can I stop the rain? Wait for trucks that never come. Small coins for the paraffin. Hungry belly, keep the pride hidden. Long lines at the local gate. Sick child cuts against the cold. Dusty road where we always try. Pipes in the kitchen, staring at the fall. No lights in the hallway, black smoke in the evening. Dry pipes in the kitchen, staring at the fall. No lights in the hallway, black smoke in the evening. Lock the doors and I keep us safe. Shouting voices in the night. Oh, work for the young ones. Better brew on heavy signs. Moving in the heavy mist. Walking far to fetch your pail. Coughing in the heavy mist. Broken promises for sale. Pipes in the kitchen, staring at the fall. No lights in the hallway, black smoke in the evening. Dry pipes in the kitchen, staring at the fall. No lights in the hallway, black smoke in the evening. Oh, oh, Nicolule. Oh, dry pipes in the kitchen, staring at the four-wall. No lights in the hallway, black smoke in the evening. Dry pipes in the kitchen, staring at the four-wall. No lights in the hallway, black smoke in the evening. Up our minds. Oh, oh, Dikulule. Oh, oh, Skalelupile.
Dry pipes in the kitchen, staring at the four walls. No lights in the hallway, black smoke in the evening. Dry pipes in the kitchen, staring at the four walls. No lights in the hallway, black smoke in the evening. Concrete keeps the heat inside, and thin roofs cannot stop the rain. Wait for trucks that never come. Small cords for the paraffin. Hungry belly keeps the bride hidden. Long lines at the local gate. Sick child coughs against the cold. Dusty road where we weep always. Staring at the four walls. No lights in sure do not keep us safe. Shouting voices in the night. No work for the young ones. Bitter brewing heavy side, coughing in the heavy mist.